Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Chevy Silverado LT double cab four-wheel drive, stock number Z7636X. 28,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Silverado brand new, Rainforest green metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years, or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5, cloth interior, seat 6 with a cloth interior. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility, and power sliding windows for ventilation. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, helping give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Hitch and wiring. That backup camera is perfect hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats and power adjustable pedals. Great for shorter drivers. Cup holders and storage in the center console. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger with even more storage below. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power sliding rear window. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3-liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.